This is a family practice, and whenever you walk into our doors, you can expect that you'll be treated just like a member of our family. When a patient leaves, I want to make sure they have the best experience possible and that they're so happy that they do refer their friends and family to us.
Sleep apnea occurs when a patient is sleeping and can't get enough oxygen into his or her system because of a blocked or obstructed airway. Statistically, more than 60% of patients who are diagnosed with sleep apnea and are prescribed a CPAP do not wear it because of discomfort. A dental appliance is an effective treatment option for most people and is much easier to use. Finally, rest quietly, wake feeling revitalized, and give yourself a chance to avoid some of the complications that come with leaving sleep apnea untreated. We look forward to having the opportunity to serve you. Be sure to let us know right away if you're experiencing any of the symptoms of sleep apnea. Call us today and make sure to download our new patient special by clicking on the Dental Deals button below.